Olivia, say num num num.
What? Are you sure? When did that happen? Did it happen today? I think you just said Olivia. Did you say Olivia?
Mama!
Really? Let's practice saying auntie, auntie, auntie. Can you say auntie? You can't say auntie? Oh no. You want to try? Say yes. You're just a baby? But you're really trying to say auntie? Olivia? That's right. Auntie, auntie, auntie. Oh, he's looking at you again, Olivia. I think you said auntie. That sounded just like auntie. I think you got it. You did? Really? We have to do that right now? When are we doing this? How about Uncle Dave? Can you say Uncle Dave? That was close. Try again. Say Uncle Dave. Yeah. Did you find Uncle Dave? Where's Uncle Dave? Really? All this happens right now? All of that happens right now?
Psst. Psst. Olivia, say cheese.
Olivia, say hi, Uncle Dave.
No, you're not a baby. You're a big girl.
Say hi, Uncle Dave. I love you. No, Olivia, take your milk and move it over further for me, okay?
No, you're a big girl. Use words.
Really further towards William. That wouldn't want to hit him.